Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. It's no longer news that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has declared his intention for 2023, and right now his campaign manager or campaign coordinator has sent out a message to all other presidential aspirants that Southwest is a no-go area for them, as he had listed the number of people who are ready to give him support, especially among the royalty. And while also in another news, the Southeasterners, especially the youths, have decided to awake in respect to 2023, as they have sent out ultimatum to those who have intention for presidency come 2023, and they have also made their demands very clear. They've listed the names of people whom they are expecting to show interest, and they have demanded them to do just what we are going to disclose to you in the news. But before we go on, if you're not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's look at the news. The campaign coordinator of Bola Ahmed Tinubu has claimed that the former governor of Lagos State holds the support of over 300 royal fathers from the Southwest for the 2023 presidential elections. Senator Dayo Adeyeye, the national chairman of the Southwest Agenda for Asiwaju for 2023, a group supporting the former governor, said this during the group inauguration in Agbongan, Osun State on Tuesday. He cited that the Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, the Laughing of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Adeyemi, and the Lake of Igba, Oba Adedotun Aremu, has some of the royal fathers who have previously endorsed Tinubu for the presidential bid. According to him, he said, "You are representatives of Swagger, and you must continue to advocate Tinubu for the presidential project. By the grace of God, Tinubu will emerge the next Nigerian president in 2023. All the traditional rulers in Yoruba land are supporting Tinubu. Over 300 of them are backing him, from Oni of Ife to Alaafin of Oyo, Alake, and others. He's the best candidate that will come out of Yoruba land." Ayo Omidira, the Osun State Swagger coordinator, said the organization was mobilizing support for Governor Oyetola ahead of 2022 governorship election, in addition to canvassing support for Tinubu ahead of the next presidential election. 2 days ago in Rivers, several members of the All Progressive Congress APC Senator Magnus Abe group has sworn to deliver the state to former Governor Tinubu if he wins the party presidential ticket for the 2023 general elections. Meanwhile, in another, the youth wing of Ohaneze Ndibo Worldwide, Ohaneze Youth Council OYC, has issued a 30-day ultimatum to every presidential aspirant of Southeast extraction in the 2023 general election to open their campaign offices in the region. The council expressed regret over the glaring absence of any presidential campaign office in the region, even as the political party primary election is barely 10 months away. They urge all the potential candidates for the 2023 presidential election from the Southeast to act like Zeke and demonstrate their preparedness and zeal for the contest ahead, thereby ensuring that their campaign offices are efficiently available and active. OIC National President Comrade Igbo Polticians stated these on Wednesday in a release made available in Owerri, Imo State. The council urged aspirants from other zones of the country to consider the survival of Nigeria first beyond 2023 and eschew their personal political interests, stressing that Nigeria's president of Southeast extraction is a considered deal for Nigeria to recuperate from her present state of comatose. The council further said the likes of Dr. Ogbonnaya Onu, Anyim Pius Anyim, Rocha Sokorocha, Kingsley Mugalu, Hope Uzodinma, Sam Ifeanyi Ogwuanyi, Ojuzo Kalu, David Umahi, Ken Namani, Emeka Nwajuba, Peter Obi, Captain Kasmia Okafor, and others could lead the way without fear like the counterparts in the West and North. OYC said it's important at this time. Nigeria is like a ship hit by a tornado. For persons like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Yemi Osibanjo, Atiku Abubakar, Tambuwa Kwankwanso and co to give chance in the spirit of Nigerian socio-economic political survival for Southeasterns to take the ship and navigate Nigeria to a new hope of political survival before it sinks. Nigeria needs a president with apt knowledge of economic transformation, religious tolerance, and most importantly, a detribalized political socio-intellectual that will rebuild trust and confidence among the ethnicity in Nigeria. OYC restated that Nigeria needs a president, a social surgeon that will do the surgical operation within the religion and tribal differences in Nigeria. And this is what Nigeria president of Southeast Extraction represents to all Nigerians. A lot is happening right now. I think that everybody has come to a point of realization that 2023 is not far away from now, you understand? And that's why we are now hearing more of political news like this. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is working assiduously hard, not him alone, but more of his supporters are the one working so hard to see how they can secure the minds of people. If you had listened to the news very well, you'll notice that more than 300 royal fathers from the southwestern part of Nigeria has already appended him as, the president-elect of the country. In other words, they want him to be the president of Nigeria, which means Southwest. Southwest is a no-go area for any political or for any presidential candidate from any other region. 300 royal persons to give their signature for one man. That's a very serious one. At the same time, the Southeast do not want to stop. They want to also start pushing. But, right now, Southeast may not really have the support of Southeasterners, considering the fact that they are more given to getting a country of their own than pushing for presidency. And, for example, these OYC, who are pushing hard for, these guys to open their offices, giving them a timeline for them to open their campaign offices. It's a good one in the right direction. But I think that at this point that they need to sit down together with the youths for them to secure support of the youth. Because the first thing first, you must be able to capture the minds of the region you are coming from before you can start paying advocacy visit to, the other regions to see how you can secure their votes. So first thing first, they need to start talking to people if truly they want to get power from the central. They need to talk to, the youths in all aspects. The agitating groups ranging from IPOB, MASOB and the likes. I don't know how they'll be able to break into their heart, but that will come only if they're able to secure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. At the same time also, they need to start paying courtesy visit to other regions. Already, if you're talking about someone like Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, don't forget that last year when he went to attend, the wedding of one of the emir's daughter, the level of aggressive welcome he received from Kano State was quite amazing. Ganduje was there to welcome him. A group of people were also there, to welcome him. And they promised him that as far as he had given a chance for Buhari to lead the country, they were also going to give him adequate support during his, presidential campaign and all of that, just to show you that this guy has already gone through virtually all the regions apart from the Southwest. So right now, they need to be, the Southwest need to bring up someone whom all of them will support, who will go around also to see how he can establish his presence in the minds of all other regions. I'd like to leave it there. What is the future of Nigerian politics, and who do you think will emerge as a president come 2023 if Nigeria still survives as one country?